Hello everyone. To create a new disk partition or free up disk space, follow these simple steps. First, right-click on this PC and select Manage. A new window will open. On the left side, under Storage, click on Disk Management. This is where you'll create a new partition. As you can see, I already have 4 drives available, but for this tutorial, I'll create a new partition from drive F because it has more free space. You can choose any drive depending on your needs. In this row, I've selected drive F. Right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. This will take some time, so be patient. Now, enter how much space you want to shrink in megabytes. Let's say I want 5 gigabytes, so I'll type 5,000 megabytes. That will free up around 5 gigabytes since 1 gigabyte is roughly 1,024 megabytes. Once you're done, click Shrink and a new unallocated partition will appear. Next, right-click on the unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next again. Assign any letter to the drive. I'll choose A and click Next. Make sure the file system is set to NTFS. Leave everything else as it is, then click Next. Finally, click Finish, and you're done. Now you can see the new volume A has been created and is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a new disk partition. If this helped you, feel free to like the video or leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.